Hey guys, me, Cameron. Now I got a full glass of, well, not full, but it's pretty close there. You know what I mean. Okay, so I got a full glass. Like I said, not full. Yeah, sorry about that. I got some Diet Coke. I don't know why. It's just people say it makes you burp more. I got half a banana, so they say eat the banana. So I'm gonna eat the banana, and I'm gonna chug that. I'm gonna see what happens. This is an awkward moment. Banana tastes like crap. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see me good. Got some Diet Coke. Alright. I'm not very fast at chugging, especially when it comes to soda, so I'm just going to take it slow. Alright. And I know it's supposed to be Sprite, but I don't got that. Oh. I get shaken up in there. Alright. I'm waiting for impact, okay? Oh, that hurts for some reason. Oh, my stomach hurts. Yeah, that's gone. Yeah, see that banana? I ate some banana. Drank that glass of Diet Coke. Just wait for it. Stomach. Oof.